Exercise Standard 5 Environment Studies First. Lesson number 1 Our Earth and our Solar System. Question 1. What is a solar solution? Question number 1. One of the asteroids has fallen out of its place in the asteroid belt and it's heading towards the sun. Our Earth is in its way and there is all likelihood of a collisions. What can be done to prevent these collisions? Answer. The first act to save the Earth can be attracting the asteroid with the helps of missile. A missile can break an asteroid into smaller pieces. The second way to change the path of an advancing asteroid. For changing the path of the asteroid's spaceship or missile can be used to push the asteroids aside. Space shuttle fitted with mirrors can be used so that the reflections sunrays from such mirror can be bombarded on the asteroid. This will create pressure on the asteroids and its advancing path can be changed. By use of the laser rays, the surface of asteroid can be subjected to evaporations. This will create change in the mass of asteroid. We can also send extra material on the asteroid for the Earth. Such change in the mass of asteroid change the orbit and the path of the asteroid. Question 2. First, use your brain power. First, what will happen to our solar system if the sun was to suddenly disappear? Answer. If the sun suddenly disappears, first, there would be darkness everywhere. Second is, all the planets will die as they will not be able to perform photosynthesis. Third, all the planets will stop revolving. Fourth, the cycle of the day and night would come to a halt. 5. There will not be weeks or months any more. 6. There will be uniformly only one season. Seasonal change will come to an end. 7. All the equipment which work on solar energy will not work anymore. 8. There will not be any heat and entire earth will be cold. 9. The water cycle would stop as the water bodies will not evaporate water, vapor and then clouds, and thus there will be no rains. 10. Germs would grow at a rapid pace everywhere on the earth, and this will result into outbreak of many diseases. Question 2. Suppose you want to give your address to a friend you have on the planet Mars. How will you write your address? If you want them to understand exactly where you live. Answer: Kumar, Prasad Gokhale Road, Dadar West, Mumbai 400028, State of Maharashtra, India. Continent of Asia, Earth. Third planet, Solar System, Milky Way. Question: in the picture below, collect the sequence of the planets for the Sun. In the above picture, Mars and Earth's positions are interchanged. Similarly, the sequence of Jupiter and Saturn is also changed. Therefore, the wrong sequence in the pictures in Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. The correct sequence should be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Question 4. Who am I? 1. You can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. Moon. 2. I have my own light. It is only from me that the planets get light and heat. Sun. 3. I turn around myself, around a planet, and also around a star. Satellite. 4. I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. Planet. 5. No other planet has a living world like mine. Earth. 6. I am the nearest star to the earth. Sun. 5a. For what purpose are rockets used in space travel? Answer. Space launch technology is used to send the spacecraft in outer space against the force of gravity. It requires tremendous amount of energy to launch the spacecraft, which is thousands of tons in weight. This energy is obtained through burning of ample quantity of fuel present in the rocket. Thus, rockets are used to launch the spacecraft in space travel. Question 5b. What information do man-made satellites provide? Answer. Man-made satellites provide useful information on agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, searching for water and minerals from the earth. Such information can be used to make maps. Man-made satellites are also used to telecommunication